You no get wetin person no go see you. See bird, parrot, make they cry like small pikin.
This is Nico.
The thing they cry like small pikin.
Having a temper tantrum, getting ready for a show, and now she just said, "Why are you crying?" Nico, are you done? This is what I go through every day, and people think I have a crying baby out here. I will show you. It's really just Nico. Nico. You are such a baby. Yes, you are. Now people are coming in because you were crying. Okay, let's go impress these kids, okay? What? Say that again. I don't know what that was. Say it again. Why are you crying? Do you want your breakfast?